Dun 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 dun!
It's day Ocho.
Ocho?
Day 8.
I'm getting old, my knees. My knees don't bend like they used to. Happy day 8.
Happy day 8. What have we got from the experiment
Oh my
today?
goodness, Optical Illusions. I love these. Guess what? Guess what we need extra?
What do we need extra?
Nothing.
Oh, that's good because that's what I brought today.
Oh my gosh, nothing. Did you bring all of your nothing with you? Good.
Right, so we're looking at pictures in a book.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm going to bring the people over a little closer.
Yeah, bring the people closer. I think I got my square on my hand.
Okay.
I'm sure what's happening over there. Okay.
All right, tell us what we've got.
Okay, so we're looking at each of these 6 illusion cards and describe what you see. Put them aside and look at them again later. Chances are that you will now see them differently than before.
All right, what are we looking at here?
I see like a checkers kind of a board with a circly, diamondy dice in the middle.
All right, it's like there's a circle in the middle of it.
Yeah, that's what I see.
Okay.
Are we okay? And then in this picture, the squares in the middle seem to be bigger and also bulge out like a sphere. Furthermore, the whole picture is somewhat askew and wavy. The reason is the small dots within the black and white squares. They're what confuses our eyes and our brain. In reality, all the squares are of the same size and all the horizontal and vertical lines are
Oh my goodness,
parallel.
it really looks like they're wonky.
Yeah.
But if we look at it from the sideways angle, yeah, you can see that they're all straight lines now, so we move along sideways. But from perspective, you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very cool. So yeah, it
Wow.
definitely looks like they're all wonky from here.
Yeah. Interesting.
All right, what's the next one?
Let's see here. When you look at the blue dots in the middle of the small circle on the left and the big one on the right, you get the impression the left dot is significantly larger than the right one. However, they are actually of equal size, which you could check by measuring with a ruler. I believe them. When you cover the two...
What's in our little number 8 box? It says we need nothing, but we didn't open the box.
Oh! You're so wise.
Maybe there's a ruler in there.
Oh! Oh, then look at the little cards. Oh, I see.
Oh, it's giving us the illusions there as well. Okay, brilliant.
Oh, I get it. So you look at the cards.
All right, well, how about I look at the cards here and you can read from the book?
Okay, that sounds great. Okay, so we've already done that one.
That's the first one. We've already done that one. It's
Yep.
the next one.
Next one's this one.
All right, next one is the blue dots.
When you cover the 2 outer circles, the illusion will vanish and you can clearly see the 2 dots are of equal size. If you try to cover, oh yeah. It's kind of hard to cover the outer circles. But you can see that. Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, we can see that the same size. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
All right, what else do we have?
The next one is this tree.
The tree.
A
All right.
tree. What do you see in the above picture? Obviously a tree.
Definitely a tree.
Close your eyes for a short time and then have another look, this time while concentrating on the trunk. Now you'll see the faces of 2 people looking at each other. I see the faces.
They look like they're about to kiss.
They do. I don't need to close my eyes. I see them. Do you see them, everybody? Please shout your answers.
Shout your answers at the screen. This is a voice-activated screen.
We have voice-activated YouTube. It's new.
Brilliant.
Okay.
All right, what's the next one?
The next one is the checkerboard with a ball in the middle.
Okay, got a
Got it?
checkerboard. And there's a ball. Got it.
Ooh.
What are we looking at here? You can see 2 little
so
X's there.
They're confusing me. Yes.
Okay, so we've got 2 X's, and the squares that have the X's on them, you see the squares with the X's?
Yes.
So one of them's light and one of them's dark.
Ah, I see.
But those 2 squares, in fact, are the same color.
Oh.
Because there's a perception of the shadow.
The appearance is deceiving. In reality, both X's are X's. X's! Both X squares are of exactly the same color. When you concentrate on the white X square in the shadows, and then look at it from different perspectives, it will suddenly seem much darker. And when you then compare it with the one of the gray squares outside the window, outside of the shadow, you will realize they look the same.
Wow, that's really cool.
Interesting. Yeah.
Look at it from perspective. Yeah.
Yeah. Huh.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
an
I see
optical
it. I see it.
illusion.
So you can see those 2 squares next to each other now. If you look at it from the angle.
Yeah.
Very cool.
That is really cool. That's messing with my eyes.
I like that one.
That is really cool.
All right,
Okay, the
what's
next one's the circle, the blue, yeah, that kind of blue square.
Blue square.
Cube. Look at the figure below. Granted, this figure is rather difficult to see. Probably you will first recognize a cube. However, the closer you look, the more illogical and impossible it will seem.
Oh, yeah.
The illusion arises because you will customarily interpret the dark areas as shaded surfaces. Oh.
Yeah, so look at how they each connect to the bit. The bit looks like it's just suspended in the middle.
I keep seeing the stars. The little white stars.
Well, if you look in the center of it,
yes.
It looks like there's a thing suspended in a cube.
It does look like it's just kind of hanging there, but
then you look at how it connects.
My eyes are just drawn back to the stars.
Okay.
Whoa! And then,
Well, let's say if you look at the stars, then that's how you kind of see it as a snowflake.
Yeah.
As a one-dimensional snowflake.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Oh. What shape jumps out at you right away from it?
I see the cube. I see a cube with a suspended object in the middle. But then it doesn't make any sense the more I look at it.
Yeah.
How the bit in the middle connects to each of the outer corners.
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense.
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, and it has more about it. The figure only makes sense when you interpret it as a flat hexagonal snowflake. To make this shape understandable, it is best to concentrate on the white star-shaped areas.
There you go. You're a step ahead.
I was doing it.
All right.
Okay. Next one of these eyelash businesses.
Oh, these are bent rulers, I believe.
They do look like that.
Yeah.
I've
Got a small one and a big one. Yeah.
thought they looked like eyelashes. These two pictures convey the impression that the upper arc is shorter than the lower one.
Is it not?
The scales enhance the illusion. Their centimeter divisions seem to be identically spaced. Are they?
Wow.
Oh.
So, yeah, I see it goes 0 to 10 on both of them. Yeah.
That's so weird. Okay.
That is weird.
The solution to this one is that in reality, the two circle segments are of equal length and radius. Radiance, not radiance, radius. The optical illusion arises from the fact that they are placed adjacent to each other. If you cut out the segments and place them on top of each other, you would see that they are identical. This effect was described by the American psychologist Jastrow in 1892 and is named after him, the Jastrow illusion.
Interesting. Very cool. I wonder if it looks more different if I put
Or
it
if you put it sideways.
No. Well, actually, if I put it so that the ends that are together are near the edge of the screen, it looks to me like they're at the same size now.
Oh, interesting.
So it's to do with the way it's positioned originally. If I put it like that. Yeah, interesting. It's very cool. Now, this is kind of the stuff that evolutionarily we need to have our eyes that are accustomed to detecting things quickly. Because if we see a predator, we want to recognize that shape quickly, right?
Yeah.
So I think our eyes are accustomed to just
Run away from it.
making assumptions. Yeah. Well, that's it for today, isn't
That is it for today.
Very cool.
I don't know what I'm doing with that. Jazz hands. Give us a like and a thumbs up and a subscribe. Please tell your friends. And thank you so much for being here. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.